balcony and just wanted to say a little hello from Puerto Rico. Hello from Puerto Rico. We just arrived at our room in the Marriott Stellaris casino. It's a Marriott resort and I want to give you a little room tour because I'm really loving this room so far. So when you first enter the room, the bathroom's on the left I should say, and the little samples there displayed so cute. Then the toilet, and here's the shower slash tub. And then there's a closet here with 2 doors. So we're gonna slide them all the way over to reveal the closet here with several hangers, ironing board, iron and robe. And when you move it over, you can see the rest of the closet with a safe hair blow dryer. And then you get a nice mirror here. And these are our suitcases. If you haven't seen the review that I've done on the suitcases, make sure to check that out. But there are suitcases. These are Steve Madden's. And then the TV. It's quite a large TV. I've been in some hotels where the TV is quite tiny. So this is a really nice TV. And in here, let's go in here. So these are the beds. We got 2 double beds, and this is what's in the middle. Someone wrote here, "Welcome to the San Juan Marriott. Your housekeeper, Nellie Marr." That is so sweet. I've never had a personalized note before, so that just made me happy. I was really happy about this place already, but now I'm even happier. And some art on the walls, and you can see how everything matches and coordinates. And then here is the mirror, and there's my mom. Wave to the lovelies.
Hello, lovelies.
Hi. So we're gonna go outside. So we got an ocean view balcony room, and you get 2 chairs and a little table here, and you can see there's the rest of the Marriott, and nice pool, like really nice pool. There's a water slide. There's a water slide that's crazy. And then the ocean. How gorgeous is that beach? I mean, we get to wake up to this.